From the Greek sirens to the Slavic ruzalki, the Japanese ningyo to the West African mami wata, mermaids have lured human curiosity for millennia. Their ubiquity across world mythology has led many scholars to wonder about their possible origins. Could it be that tales of mermaids were born from encounters with unfamiliar marine creatures glimpsed from the decks of ships? Did the cries of seals or manatees, echoing across the waves, become woven into stories of half-human beings calling sailors to their doom? Questions like these lie at the heart of geomythology, which examines the connections between myths and the environments where they originated. It's rooted in the idea that legends are not just fanciful tales, but also records of our ancestors, attempts to understand the world around them. And these stories can hold surprising insights into ancient relationships with the sea. Beyond questioning the origins of mythical beings like mermaids, krakens, and sea serpents, geomythology can even serve as a catalyst for scientific discovery. In the Pacific Northwest, indigenous stories of the sea spirit Kalupalik, who drags children beneath the ice, may encode warnings about thin ice conditions and dangerous currents. And in New Zealand, Maori legends of Taniwa, water guardians dwelling in rivers and oceans, have guided researchers in identifying regions prone to flooding and landslides. So, what has geomythology uncovered about mermaids? While there is no evidence that half-human, half-fish beings have ever existed, some tales may have been inspired by sightings of marine mammals like dugongs or manatees, whose rounded faces and limb-like flippers could appear human-like to tired sailors. In the Caribbean, manatee sightings may have contributed to stories of mami wata, a powerful water spirit said to appear as a beautiful woman with the lower body of a fish or serpent. In Europe, the cold waters of the North Atlantic are home to gray seals, whose cries echoing across foggy coasts may have fueled stories of selkies, beings who could shed their seal skins to walk on land as humans. Other characteristics, like the mermaids' haunting songs, may reflect the sounds of wind whistling through rigging or the eerie echoes of whale song reverberating beneath wooden hulls. In Homer's Odyssey, the hero Odysseus encounters sirens whose songs promise forbidden knowledge and doom. Some scholars suggest these tales may be linked to dangerous coastal areas, where strong currents and jagged rocks posed a deadly threat to sailors drawn too close by what sounded like land or safe harbor. Similarly, in Japan, legends of the ningyo describe a fish-like creature whose capture could bring storms and misfortune, possibly reflecting the unpredictability of typhoons and tsunamis that have shaped Japan's coastal communities. These stories are not just ancient superstitions, but reflections of human relationships with the powerful and often dangerous forces of the sea. In some regions, legends of mermaids have even guided scientific investigations. In West Africa, researchers studying manatee populations have engaged local communities by acknowledging the significance of mami wata myths, building trust to support conservation efforts. And in parts of Scotland, folklore of the blue-skinned water spirit known as the Blue Men of the Minch has sparked studies into the hazardous tidal streams in the strait between mainland Scotland and the Hebrides. So while mermaids may never have swum alongside sailors or sung from coastal rocks, their stories continue to inspire us, bridging the worlds of myth and the enduring mysteries of the sea.